Hi and welcome to another Type with me. In today's video I want to talk about Interop 2026. Is it the future of the web? Browsers are still fragmented. Interop 2026 wants to fix this, so they want to bring these browsers closer together, let them work more closely together, and fix things on that. How will Interop solve this? Well, it will solve this with universal tests, with a shared roadmap, and with new UI features. So what are these universal tests? Well, these universal tests will pass the same test, they will fix the same breakages, and they will track results for all browsers. So more cross-browser functionality that will work in Chrome, will work in Firefox, and will work in Safari and in Edge. Passing the same tests, fix the same breakages, and evolve together. What is Interop 2026 also? Well, the roadmap, make behavior consistent. It's not here what we'll build, but here where we fix the web with cross-browser functionality and a modern UI. Right? So it's mainly about which kind of behaviors do we want to make consistently and how will we fix the web and where will we fix the web. One of these roadmaps, right, are about the new UI features. And one of the things that I'm also saying in this channel is that you don't need JavaScript to have great interactions. So, for example, JavaScript animations, well, now we have view transitions. So you don't need JavaScript animations anymore. Model libraries, yeah, well, you don't need them anymore because we have native dialogues. Tooltip hacks, well, we don't need them anymore because we have anchor positioning. And scroll listeners, well, we don't need them anymore because we have scroll animations, or maybe we need them, but that's just the old way, right? But the new way with scroll animations, we can do it natively without the overhead of JavaScript. And so if you go to the Interop 2026 dashboard, you will see that we have 52 interrupt, 8 investigations, right? 90 of them is green for Chrome and for Edge, which is normal because they are running underneath Chromium. And then we have Firefox nightly, and we have Safari, which are a little bit lower, right? And here we see which are the active investigations. So accessibility testing, JPEG, XL, mobile testing, and wpt. And here you see they had some meetings around it to make the web better around this one, right? The Interop 2026, and here you see how they do so. But it's just interesting to see also which kind of new functionality or certain functionalities they are working on and focusing themselves on. So one of the things that I also have covered already is the navigation API. I'm really excited about that because I think it's going to be a big deal for JavaScript and for the web frameworks, right? Because then a lot of things are not in JavaScript anymore, but will be natively in the web and in the browser APIs. Scoped custom element registries, also a nice one. And view transitions, also something that I already have covered on this channel. And another thing that I'm really excited about are the dialogues and popovers. I think these ones are also very big and nice because together with the CSS anchor position, you don't need to worry anymore if you click on something, if it will go underneath the browser or underneath the top of your browser. It will always choose so that the user will see it, and that will relate to a better user experience for our applications that we are creating for the web. So I think it's a really great thing. Interop 2026 will have his impact, and that's the reason why I want to cover this on my channel. I hope you liked this video, I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something from it, and I hope to see you in the next one.